2008 Toyota Corolla.
P0101 mass or volume airflow A circuit range performance. This is the mass airflow sensor. We need to clean it. Pull out the connector. It comes out. Wiggle it. Now we got a screwdriver. Remove the screws. Just wiggle it out. There you go. What we need to do is clean those element in there. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Where's the light? Give me the light. See that shimming right there? We need to clean the element. I think it's called a thermistor. We need to clean that and everything else here. That too. So I'm going to use this CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. Let's clean this up. Clean the element inside. Dry up. Clean that connector too. Good, make it dry. Alright, it's dried up. Now we put it back. It's back together. Want to clear it? Yes. Read fault code. Let's see if it comes back on. Drove it for 20 miles. Time to get it smogged. Alright, that's proof right there. It passed. 2008 Toyota Corolla.